When was the last time you made a real connection? Well, it's time to fix that. It's time to reconnect. In Brenham and Washington County, it's time to reconnect. With friends, with family, and with the people you love most. Reconnect with the things you love to do, like shopping. Learning about new wines. And relaxing through a Washington County sunset. And into the night. Whether you're digging into a piece of homemade Southern pie or digging into your Texas roots. Here in Brenham and Washington County, the food is fabulous. The nightlife is hopping, the wine trail is flowing, and our history is epic. This is the place to experience life the way you want it, in real life. So it's time to visit Brenham.
It's time to reconnect.
It's time to reconnect.
It's time to reconnect.